If you're looking for a way to take udon noodles to the next level, you gotta try this beef Sukiyaki Nabe Udon. It combines all the luxurious elements of sukiyaki and humble udon soup to create the ultimate fusion dish. The first thing I'm going to do is parboil some udon noodles. I'm using pre-boiled frozen udon, so I only need to soften them a bit. But if you're using dry udon, it's important to cook them about 3 or 4 minutes less than the time stated on the packaging, so that they don't overcook in the soup later. Once they're partly cooked, drain them and wash off any excess starch to prevent your soup from becoming thick and starchy. Next, take a small frying pan and heat on medium with a drizzle of oil. Add about 30 grams of sliced Japanese leek and lightly char it on both sides. Regular leek also works fine. If you're feeling extra luxurious, you can fry them in beef fat. Once they're lightly charred like this, take them off the heat and set them aside for later. Next, we'll make the sukiyaki inspired soup. Grab a large pot and add 500 ml of dashi, 5 tablespoons of soy sauce, 5 tablespoons of mirin, 1 tablespoon of light brown sugar, and 30 grams of carrot cut into thick rounds. Root vegetables take longer to cook, so I like to cook them in the broth first so they have time to soften up and absorb some extra flavour. Bring the soup to a gentle boil and let it bubble for about 2 or 3 minutes. When the carrot is almost cooked to your liking, add the drained udon noodles along with your favourite sukiyaki ingredients. I'm using 150 grams of firm tofu and 50 grams of crown daisy, known in Japanese as shungiku. You could also use pak choi or some similar leafy greens. Next, I have 2 shiitake mushrooms, the charred leeks from earlier, and last but certainly not least, 150 grams of thinly sliced beef. If you want to learn more about different cuts of beef that can be used for this dish, then I've written all about it on my blog. Place the lid on top and simmer for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, take the lid off and look at that. It looks delicious and it smells amazing. Take it off the heat and then divide the noodles and other ingredients evenly into serving bowls. Don't forget to add a generous drizzle of the rich soup and then top it with some tangy benishoga for a refreshing kick. This next part is optional, but I like to crack pasteurized egg into a bowl and whisk it for dipping. This is what Japanese people do when we eat sukiyaki, so why not here too? And that's it, delicious Sukiyaki Nabe Udon, one of the most luxurious ways to eat udon noodles. And great news, I've launched a free mobile app that makes following along with my recipes even easier. It's the perfect kitchen companion after watching my videos. You can access step-by-step instructions right on your phone while you cook. The download link is in the description below. If you want to read the full recipe, I've put the link to my blog post on the screen. And if you're interested in more noodle videos, check out the noodle playlist on the screen too. Thanks so much for watching and I hope to see you in the next one.